Atlas is very energetic, but she knows that when Junior comes out, she has to just chill. If she's very wild, she's not allowed to be around him. I feel like through this whole progress, Junior has really calmed her down.
So unbothered.
Junior came to me from a wildlife education area. His mom didn't like him very much. So when I first brought him home, he was like a very lazy dog. He wanted to always be either on me or near me. Anytime I would come around,
this is who gets to greet me every day.
And then Atlas came a couple of years later. She was abandoned underneath a shed after a really big storm. She was a little kitten when I brought her home. And she was a little bit shy, but I feel like having another animal was a way of saying like, hey, it's okay. And soon she was wanting to play and chase.
One more time.
Are you serious? Junior's front of his habitat is glass. Atlas would always sit beside it, and Junior would always come down and scratch. So I'd open it up so they could smell each other. And then we just did very slow introductions. But there was never any aggression, and they're always supervised. So she quickly warmed up. And then soon she wanted to just have her paw on him. It was actually a genuine attraction.
Be nice, Atlas.
Atlas thrives on the friendship. Because they are so opposite, they bring out the better side of each other. They're best friends. It's kind of the weird dynamic. She's the cleaner and he's the whatever bro kind of thing.
Please remember that cats are predatory animals. Always supervise them when interacting with potential prey.